Today we're going to copy a segment. So when you copy a segment onto your, or one that's already given, what we're first going to do is draw a line. So use your straight edge. Ours happens to be a ruler, but we are drawing a random length line. Do not measure. We're going to put point A right here. But because this is a copy, we're actually going to mark it as A prime. We take our compass, we extend it from point to point. We, without touching anything, the legs move down here, and then we swing and make an arc. This is B prime. We have now just copied segment AB to A prime B prime. This is called out as segment AB. This is A prime B prime. The length of AB is represented by AB equals with no segment mark on top. Measuring in centimeters, we're going to come up with about 7.5. 7.5 centimeters. When we come down here, A prime B prime equals, meaning the length of A prime B prime will hopefully also be 7.5. It is, so we made a good copy. Okay, key things to take away. The segment AB has a mark on top. The length of AB does not. The segment A prime B prime has a mark on top. The length of A prime B prime does not. Let's do some addition this time. Let's take segment AB and add it to segment CE. And we're going to name the new segment KJ. Okay? So again, we're going to draw a random length line. Remember, do not measure it. We're going to put a starting point, and we're going to take segment AB. So come to the top of your paper, measure AB, put it on your starting point, swing your arc. We're going to add to it CE. So I go to C, I push my compass into E, and then I'm going to, again, swing right here. My new segment is called KJ. And if I was going to highlight it so I understood it better, I had this. If I want to know the length of KJ, I can say KJ equals, this means length of segment KJ. That's a lot to write. So we represent it by the points with no segment mark on top. The length of KJ is going to be about 13.2. So we have 13.2 centimeters. The next one is going to be the segment AB, and we're going to subtract CE. We're going to draw another random length line. we're going to put a point right here. Again, we're going to measure AB. And we're going to come down here. Copy AB. But now we're going to take away CE. So, measure CE. And now we go backwards. That means our new segment is going to be right here. I did not ask you to give it any certain letters, so we can just call it FK if we want. All right? There you go. Good luck copying, adding, and subtracting segments.